Welcome to our webcast. Today we talk about our preventive maintenance. It's on one of our main modules, and let's start.
Before you ask how we start as usual with the Open Module tab, typing in maintenance, and then we open one of two parts of our maintenance topic today.
So here we are. As in Babtec modules, we see a list of records. Here, a list of machines. But our customers don't maintain machines with our maintenance module. They maintain also other resources, for example, like fire extinguishers. So every resource where you have to do a cyclical inspection will be handled inside our maintenance module. So let's open one machine. Okay?
Yes, let's open the machine, the master data of a machine, and have a look at all those information we can maintain here within the machine master data.
Okay, we have some basic information like machine number, machine type. You can maintain location, owner, cost center. You can enter some inventory numbers and so on. Yeah, some fields to put information connected to the machine itself. But I think there's a big topic inside the maintenance plan tab.
Yes, cyclical regularly basis means that I have to define somewhere how often or what I want to maintain, what do I want to do with my machines. And this is something you can define in a maintenance plan. So in a maintenance plan you can describe the maintenance steps. So for example, cleaning of a machine, oil change, and so on. And then you can time schedule this. So for example, you can change the oil every Friday at from 12 to 1 o'clock. Or you can even connect your maintenance not even to timely scalable topics, but also to maybe produce quantity of your machines or working hours of your machines.
Okay, to get the information about the produced quantity all the time, you need external information, right?
Yes, absolutely, because there has to be some system that tells us how many quantities we have produced or how many hours our machine is already working. So we can there use this to discuss maybe a system integration to your machines or to another business system.
Inside the maintenance plans tab we see here, you have also the functionality to add more than one maintenance plan. Now let's assume that you have a basic plan for your molding machines, and you have molding machines for the 2K process. You have a basic plan for the molding machine itself and a special plan for the 2K machines to do the maintenance steps that only belongs to the 2K machines. That's a standard functionality we ship to you. Okay, when I take a closer look, I see that we have currently a faulty message that is active for this machine here.
Yes, someone reported a faulty message via Babtec, the BabtecQ-Software, or via the browser, or via another interface. So there are several ways to interact with Babtec and to report fault messages, for example. But we want to have a look now how we handle this orders that are, or repair orders that are based on faulty messages, or even how we in general handle orders, no matter if these are repair orders or maintenance orders.
So wait a minute. Now we are inside our maintenance module. So that is the master data, something like this?
Yes, this module has to focus on the machines and the circumstances around the machines. And there is the second part of our topic, the maintenance orders module, that, let's say, that handles the dynamic data, so the actual doing of the maintenance.
To take a look at the inspection orders, I will now go back to our list of modules, search for maintenance again, and you can see here there's another module called maintenance orders. When I start this module, you receive a list of all the orders that are currently inside the Babtec database. Now we have different order states, from planning, from archived orders, or for orders that are currently running. So it's a complete overview here. But we think that this list of data inside the grid view is only the second best way to take a look at this information, because we have a time-based approach here. And the time-based approach is used inside our planning assistant. So I click on the planning assistance functionality, and now we see the same data in a different view.
Yes, this planning assistant is quite modular, so that means you can change the view and the information you want to see in the planning assistant. Currently, we see an overview of our maintenance team, so we have here 3 responsible people, and we see their weekly overview of their maintenance orders. And additionally, we have a tab where we see that there are maintenance orders without any responsible. And to manage these orders, it is just a drag and drop away, right?
Yeah, you're right. So it's quite easy now to assign this maintenance step to a person. Yeah? You only have to drag and drop the information from no responsible to a person. I do this now, yeah, and will say, okay, this system checks should be done from Helmut Wagner on Tuesday. Now everything is fine and information is stored inside the SQL database. But Daniel, one question. Here are blue boxes and orange boxes. Where's the difference here?
Oh, that's quite easy. So red is always a kind of alert color, so it is the repair order. And the blue ones are the maintenance orders. So this is how you can differentiate it between both.
Okay, so I will schedule the repair order also, take the repair order, place it at Kathrin's column, and she has to do it on Friday. Now, how will Kathrin receive the information that she has to do something?
Yeah, as usual, and of course, depending on your configuration. So she will usually receive an email notification. The email will contain all necessary information about the order. That means the order number, the main task, and of course, start and end date of the planned order activity.
And then?
Yeah, of course, then she has to do the maintenance, and she has to document, of course, her work. And this documentation can be done also in several platforms. So first of all, she can open Babtec and document her work and the result of her maintenance directly in the Babtec software.
Okay, for this, she needs to have a Babtec installation and she uses Babtec license.
Yes, and maybe she needs a training to how to use the maintenance module. Alternatively, she can just use the browser, which is always on every client in your environment in the end, and access or interact with Babtec directly via the web browser.
So this way, I've prepared already. So now I switch the software module and go into my Chrome browser, you can see here. And inside the Chrome browser, I have currently a queue manager on my screen. And inside the queue manager, I have used Kathrin's credential to log into the software. And Kathrin has clicked on the information about the maintenance orders and received a list of the maintenance orders that she is connected to. So she's responsible for these maintenance orders. And without any Babtec installation or without any license, now she can click on this edit button and can see the detailed information about this order she has to do now.
Yes, so it is scheduled for her, and with the change of the order state to in process, she can start documenting the results of her maintenance.
Inside this maintenance order, there's some more information like an image, what is to do exactly, or maybe she can access here connected documents like PDF, Word, or Excel files to get in detail information about this maintenance step. And to give feedback, she has the possibility to fill in information to the protocol tab here. Now let's click on the timestamp and say I have used some parts, some free text information, and save this to the database again.
Very detailed
Yeah,
comment.
you're right. It's easier for me to type some words.
Absolutely. So I guess she's done right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next step or the last step for her would be changing the state to completed.
Stopped maybe, and after he has stopped the change to completed. Now this information is also stored inside the Babtec database. Everything is perfect.
So we have a start date, we have an end date of this dedicated
We have
order.
the duration calculated.
You have the duration,
Yeah.
absolutely. We may even have some costs because we have a field to enter the costs. We have the user and so on. So this leads me a little bit to why not having an overview of all my orders. How long usually do they take to be finished? How much do they cost me, for example? So maybe running an analysis over all my maintenance orders.
Now that's a good approach here. Now I'll switch back to my Babtec software itself. So go to BabtecQ again, switch to the list of modules, search for maintenance again, and a standard functionality we ship to you connected to the maintenance module is the analysis part. Now I activate the maintenance orders analysis part, receive a list of the standard analysis, and I open here the costs per machine graphical information. And that's, maybe you know it, we have costs per machine here in the bar chart and in a grid view below.
And as we know, our Babtec analyzers, it's quite flexible. So for those who don't like bars, or for those who want to rearrange information, for example, we could maybe sort the costs by orders or maintenance works and not by machines, like it is today, for example.
Yeah, that's very easy. Just drag and drop the maintenance work to the current analysis and remove the machine number. And now the grid changes to the costs per maintenance work. And you want to see something in detail, you can drill through this data. Just double click the information, you receive the list of the maintenance steps, double click again, and now you are into one maintenance order with all the detailed information behind.
So we offer almost everything, right? Top level view overall, super detailed view, direct into the maintenance orders. So I guess this is quite nice.
Yes. We are now at the end of our webcast. I hope I have shown you some detailed information about our maintenance module. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.
Thank you and goodbye.